It's time for Joobsy Rhymes.
Ah-choo! Sneezed the great wizard. He'd been sneezing all day long. And every time he sneezed, his magic spells went wrong. Ah-choo! And his dog turned into a frog. Ah-choo! And his cat turned into a rat. Ah-choo! And his chair turned into a bear. Ah-choo! And his hat turned into a bat. Whatever will I do to stop these big ah-choos? I'll magic away my whole castle if I don't stop it soon. But before the wizard could think of how to send the sneezes away, uh-oh, more big ah-choos were on the way. Ah-choo! And his broom turned into a noisy baboon. Ah-choo! And his bed turned into a big loaf of bread. Ah-choo! And his wagon turned into a dragon. Ah-choo! And his shoes became kangaroos. "What's all this commotion?" said the wizard's wife. "You've been sneezing all day. If you keep ah-chooing like this, you'll sneeze the whole castle away." She pointed at the wizard, and with an alakazam alakazoo, the wizard was free from those troublesome ah-choos. He turned the frog back into his dog, the rat back into his cat, the bear back into his chair, the bat back into his hat. "Oh, thank you, wife. I didn't know what to do about those troublesome ah-choos." He grabbed a tissue, wiped his nose and said, "All that sneezing made me tired. I think I'll go to bed. Sorry, bed."